Losing access to your crypto wallet feels like locking yourself out of your own house. But today, we're making sure you have the spare key, your secret recovery phrase. First, open your Phantom Wallet app on your phone. Make sure you're in the main view showing your Sol balance. Next, tap on the settings icon. It usually looks like a small gear or cog and can be found somewhere on the main screen or in a menu. This will take you to the app settings panel. Scroll down until you see the security section. It's vital to secure this phrase, so Phantom wisely keeps it tucked away. Tap on security. Now, look for Reveal Secret Recovery Phrase. Tap on it. You'll likely be asked to authenticate using your phone's biometrics or wallet password. Here it is, your secret recovery phrase. It's a series of 12 or 24 words. This phrase is the only way to recover your wallet. If you lose access, write it down exactly as it appears, in the correct order. Store it offline in a safe and secure location. A physical notebook or a dedicated hardware wallet solution is best. Do not screenshot it, email it, or store it online. Anyone who has this phrase has access to your funds. Proper seed phrase management is fundamental to your crypto security. Share this video to help others safeguard their funds. And remember to subscribe for more wallet security tips like this.